we must realize that there are various education systems, education related to the physical universe, in which we measure length and breadth and mass and weight and volume, density, refractive index, so many things. MRIs, ultrasound, CT scan, so many things we realize. This is the point. Now the next point, there are astral universe, then causal universe. And there is one universe which you cannot understand, you cannot write, you cannot explain. That's called spiritual. Therefore, spiritual science means in which include all science. Like atoms, the first gross structure, electricity second, magnetic field third, spiritual field last. The atom molecules, you can say physical universe, and electricity, etc., astral. And magnetic, you can say causal. Cause of the electricity is a magnet. Then what is the spiritual? Cause of the magnetic field, that is a spiritual field. Moment you learn spiritual science, then you will have no mistake. You cannot commit any mistake in this. You can commit mistake in surgery, in engineering, in any other sciences what we read. But if you practice spiritual science, you cannot commit any mistake. Then what is the fundamental concept of spirituality? That is the concept of Kriyayoga science, that mortals never exist. There exists only immortality. This is the fundamental concept. Then concentrate on head to toes, and whatever you feel is immortal consciousness. You spread your arms, clench fist, and open it, fold it like this, whatever you do, and what you feel, immortal consciousness. How much time you are ready to give? Sometimes you can give 10 hours in this. How? Let us select one arm. Keep on concentrating on it with the low pressure, medium pressure, high pressure. Then select each and every segment. Select a nail. You can give 5 minutes to the nail, 10 minutes to the finger, then palm, then wrist. Never leave any point of it. And if you want to give more and more time, you are having more and more devotion in this. Therefore, head to toes all the time is with you. You can concentrate on it and have only one sentence, immortality. How simplest this science is. And in this you cannot commit any mistake. Therefore, it is up to us, up to all of you, how much we need this, how much devotion we have in it. Therefore, concentrate on each and every part from head to toes. What you feel is presence of immortal consciousness. This is called spiritual science. Moment you practice it, you become scientist of all subjects same time. You become the best engineer because your body is the highest machine. You can make it, you can change it. As you change the motor, as you change the engine, as you change the microphone, every year new computer, new electronics, new car. In the same way, the highest engineering is if you change your body, change your mind, change your reasoning, change your ego. Therefore, anybody who is really dedicated and is ready to understand this, then believe he is learning all things in one. Now let us practice with all devotion.